Hello everybody, Lampman2000 here, and today I'm going to talk about this smoke alarm. And I know I have been recording this whole week. It's because I haven't been feeling good, and I haven't had time to, record any videos. But hopefully we'll get back on the schedule by next week, hopefully. Alright, so we're going to do the smoke alarm. Now, if your smoke alarm was made in 2005, 2006, or 7, I think, it is now time to replace it. This one was made in 2005. This is a Firex model. This is a ionization smoke detector. You can see it's hardwired. Now the problem with this smoke detector is, well, first of all, they are interconnected, so that means if one goes off, the others go off. And I'm guessing since this alarm is so old that it's making false alarms. It will go off randomly, it will chirp. I replace the battery and it still goes off. Let me just move this right here. And I also got a tripod too, so now I don't have to carry the camera the whole time. So yeah, this alarm goes off. In fact, it's actually in my room. Actually, and I had to take it down because it's so annoying. So yeah. So let's look at the back. You can see I used Duracell. Now I don't think this alarm is no longer made no more. Made by Firex, and I think that now Firex is now Kitty, if I said it right, and this thing keeps on falling. Put you right on the side of the wall. And it wants to roll away. See, I'm still sick. I don't have the bracket with me. The bracket is still up on the junction box. And yeah, so that's why I took it down. So this is the reason why you want to replace your smoke alarm every 10 years. Every 10 years, because they could create false alarms. Not just false alarms, but they could also stop working automatically. So please do that. And also change your batteries. Don't just take the batteries out of the alarms when they start chirping. Take the battery out and put a new battery in. I'll suggest the Duracell. Alright, so please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And you can hear my dog barking in the background. And hopefully some more videos to come, and also my other videos on my other channel. Thank you.